Just cut the tape from here carefully. Be careful while using the scissor and any kind of cutter. Okay, actually this kind of tools can harm your body while using, so be careful, always be careful. Okay. Oh. This is the bill, keep it away. Wow. This is our LCD writing tablet. There is a tagline, say goodbye to paper. Actually it's very good if we save the paper, because paper are made from the trees, and it will be beneficial for our life if we save any natural thing. So unbox it further. Okay, there is a very high wind flow, so let's open it further. Wow, good. Very good packaging. Wow. Sticker hello. Keep this cover away. Wow. Actually this is for the kids, and let's try it. This is the delete, whatever you write over here will be deleted from here, so try to write on it. Techviktalk. So that's all for today. I think something is missing, like battery. Okay, there is a switch. There is a switch which is off. Now I switch on it and try to delete written matter on the pad. Wow, functioning fine. Nice product. Once again, thank you. For watching. If you find our video informative, then don't forget to press the notification icon for more update, and don't forget to share, subscribe. Stay tuned for next videos. See you again. Thank you so much.